roasted hazelnuts and walnuts using my 9-inch skillet. Stovetop of Saladmaster. Ano kaya ang pwedeng gawin dito na masarap? Guys, abangan natin. This is your health chef and baling it from Saladmaster Lover. Thank you. God bless everyone. Bye. Update ko kayo later. Step is, I melted the butter, add on my sweetener, put a vanilla and a caramel syrup of your choice, and then add your favorite roasted nuts. So in my case, I added walnuts, hazelnuts, pecan, and some almond chips. Tapos lagyan po ng salt and then pakuluan. Okay, hanggang maging syrupy, hanggang mag dry up ng konti. Pag nag-dry up na po siya ng konti, that would be our finished product, yung peanut brittle natin, the Saladmaster way. Yummy, yummy, yummy! Lalagay po natin ito mamaya sa parchment paper and then we will let it cool. Tapos kung gusto mong i-chill para tumigas agad, para maya-maya, meron ka ng healthy snacks. By the way, my sweetener is monk fruit sweetener po. Thank you. Hello guys. This is my finished product of my mixed peanut brittle. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Papalamigin lang po and then mamaya i-break natin itong brittle. Tapos lalagay sa container na gusto nyo so that kapag may cravings po kayo, yung sweet tooth cravings, this will be it. Thank you so much for watching. Happy healthy cooking. This is your health chef and baling it from Saladmaster Lover. Bye! That's it. Naglagay ako ng kaunting twist. Naglagay po ako ng dark chocolate and cinnamon powder dito sa isang side. Itong side, yung regular lang. Then just put a dash of salt. So there it is. I have my peanut brittle na homemade. Thank you po. Bye.